Everyone, today I'm diving into how Section 8 housing vouchers work and how they can make housing more affordable for many Americans. Let's break it down. Section 8, also known as the Housing Choice Voucher Program, is a federal initiative designed to help low-income families, the elderly and the disabled, afford decent, safe and sanitary housing in the private market. Here's how it works. If you qualify for a voucher, you're responsible for finding your own housing. This could be an apartment, townhouse, or even a single-family home, as long as the landlord agrees to rent under the program. The beauty here is the flexibility it offers, allowing you to choose where you want to live. Now, you might be wondering, how much rent do I pay? Typically, you'll pay about 30% of your monthly adjusted gross income on rent, and the voucher covers the rest. This setup ensures that housing remains affordable, no matter your income. But there's more. This program not only aids in affordability, but also promotes freedom of choice. Unlike traditional public housing, Section 8 allows you to live in neighborhoods that might otherwise be out of your financial reach, potentially giving your family access to better schools and job opportunities. However, getting a Section 8 voucher isn't as simple as signing up. There's often a waiting list and not everyone qualifies. Eligibility is based on total annual gross income and family size, and it generally requires that your income does not exceed 50% of the median income for the county or metropolitan area where you live. It's also worth mentioning that because demand often exceeds supply, many areas have long waiting lists. Some people wait years to get a voucher. It's crucial to apply as soon as possible and to keep your information updated with your local public housing authority. In conclusion, while Section 8 cannot solve all housing issues, it's a vital tool in making housing more accessible and affordable. If you're struggling to keep up with rent or looking for a safer neighborhood, consider seeing if you qualify for a Section 8 voucher. It might just be the helping hand you need. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, understanding your options is the first step towards making better financial decisions. Catch you in the next video.